Good morning, Prep 1. Today we are going to take Move Ahead, Unit 11, Wild Weather, Part 1. Now we are going to take our new words. The first one, volcanic eruption. Hot ash and lava from inside the earth running down hillside. Number 2, avalanche. Snow and rocks falling down a mountainside. Number 3, hurricane. A very strong wind that blows across sea and land. Number 4, tsunami. A huge wave that hits the coast and spills over the land. Number 5, tornado. A very strong wind turning round and round very fast. Number 6, flood. When water rises in the rivers and flows over land. Number 7, blizzard. Snow falling heavily in a strong wind. Number 8, occur means happen. Number 9, hit. Hit means strike. Number 10, eyewitness. The one who saw an event. I'm going to read them again. Number 1, volcanic eruption, avalanche, hurricane, tsunami, tornado, flood, blizzard, occur, hit, eyewitness. Grammar study. Today we are going to study the past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense when we have two actions, both of them happened in the past, but one happened before the other. So we use the first action in the past perfect tense and the other action in the past simple form. What is the form of the past perfect? Had plus PP. This tense has keywords after and as soon as, before and by the time. After and as soon as must be followed by the first action, which is past perfect. The second action will be past simple. For example, after they had done their homework, they watched the match. But before and by the time must be followed by the second action, which is past simple. And then we use past perfect. For example, before they watched the match, they had done their homework. We have also till and until. We use them in the middle of the sentence. We put before them past simple and after them past perfect. Okay, now we will going to answer this exercise on the grammar. Number 1. After they space their lessons, they sat for the exam. We said after must be followed by the first action, so we will use had plus PP, had revised. Number 2. When I reached the station, the train had left. I didn't catch it. Number 3, baby Bear's plate was empty because someone had eaten the food. Number 4, after leaving, he ran his own business. In number 4, we don't have pronoun. If there is no pronoun, we will use the verb plus ing. Number 5, before watching to bed, I had watched TV. We will change before watching into before going to bed. Number 6. She remembered that she had lent her bike to her cousin. She was angry because someone had stolen her bag before the police arrived. By the time the police arrived, the thief had run. Number 9. Before she posted the letter, she had written it. Number 10. When I had my dinner, I went to bed. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1. She washed the apples, then she ate them. Use after small. She ate the apples after she had washed them. Number 2. After we had won the cup, we celebrated. Before we celebrated, we had won the cup. It stopped raining and immediately the match started. The match started as soon as it had stopped raining. The play was interesting. We were interested in the play. Number 5. We were bored with the tale. The tale was boring. The hurricane struck the town. It destroyed some buildings. After the hurricane had struck the town, it destroyed some buildings. The train left the station, then I arrived. Before I arrived, the train had left the station. Number 8. I played some games, I did my homework. After I had done my homework, I played some games. Number 9, the last one. The doctor examined the patient. He gave him medicine. Before the doctor examined the patient, before the doctor gave the patient medicine, he had examined him. Your homework will be on page 24. Okay, thank you for now. To be continued in part 2.